Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the ENDLEZZ Car Show at Saco Bay Tackle. Obviously the purple truck couldn't make it, so we threw this together for it. We'll make the most of it. The truck's still in the impound lot right now. I'm still battling with insurance and everything else, so I'll keep you guys posted though. So right there's my truck and Lexus's truck. Those are the trucks we drove throughout high school too. Right here's the trophy table. Look at that, the trophy's so big I can't even get it all in frame. But this right here is the best in show trophy. This show's still early, so we got some food donations rolling in. Right here's the ENDLEZZ stand. They got shirts, they've got stickers, and they just got some hats. So right over here we have the old Alpha, and right over here we got the new one. Yo, here comes the food truck. We got Travis parked over there, the Chevy HHR. We got the Cyclone sitting over here. And then Mason's truck sitting over here. So this is a cool little car over here. It's called a Chrysler LeBaron. It's a little turboed 4-cylinder. That's so sick. Lexus and I both just picked up some ENDLEZZ hoodies, so we're gonna be rocking these down. And they are so comfy, like legit, check it out. Got Shaq representing out there. I love this bag Mazda. I've seen him at a few meets. I mean, look at this. Lays right out. So solid. There's a badge delete and everything in the back. No rear wiper. Just to give it that cleaner look. I like the carbon fiber trim on the tailgate of this car. It's the RS. Right over here we have the M4. I love this, the hard top display, so sick. We got the STI over here. Those wheels, the color of those wheels especially looks so good with this car. All right, I love the headers. That looks so good. The older Celica, little convertible too. Right over here we have the IS350. I wish it was sunny. He was telling me it's got a wicked metallic flake in it. This is a super cool car to see here. The body kit's so sick. I love like the bumper and the side skirts. Fit this car so well. And right here we have one of the Hyundai Veloster R-Specs from Team Infamous. Love the detail in these headlights. Cars are still rolling in slowly. We got a Honda S2K over here. I love this wing. This thing is so sick. And the interior. And then right over here we got this little Mazda Miata. And what's so sick about this is just every panel is a different color. Do a quick walk around on this. Oh, that's sick. He's got a screen for his center console. I mean, that takes effort to get everything the way this is. So, killed it with that, man. That's sweet. I finally got to meet Danny and check out his S10. Unfortunately, my truck didn't get to meet it, but there's always a future. the recessed plate box. I love that. Adam just rolled up in his S10, cleaning it up. This thing is dirty. Always love seeing this truck. So sick. All right, so we got the Civic Sport. He's got the half wrap. I really like that. Oh, it's actually on the other side as well. I love this grille. I've never seen that before. That looks sleek. We got the R33 GTS over here. This car is beautiful. The paint's so clean. Obviously right-hand drive. We got the stretch bike over here, and we got the Acura. These wheels are fire on this car. This thing just looks so fresh. Another Subi pulled up. Another STI. And then another S2K actually, which is super sick to see. We're just up the street, and my friend was gonna put his car in, but he threw me the keys and asked me to bring it over. So this is my first time driving a Type R. Let's go. Quick car review. So, favorite thing about the Type R? Definitely the factory racing seats. 110%. This thing is nasty. I am hyped. All right, we'll bring it over and park it. All right, we got her all parked next to the S2Ks. So far, a really good turnout. Loving the Alfa Romeo Spider over here. These are just some of the cars that are in the Team ENDLEZZ. Here's the 3 S2Ks. And then right over here, there's a couple other ENDLEZZ cars just hanging out. We got the Dodge Magnum dressed up for Halloween, newer style Mustang and an older style Mustang, and this beautiful Plum Crazy Dodge Challenger. Got the food trucks, people gathering all around for trophies.
He's top to top.
We'll get the best of show. Let's
Are you guys ready?
Let's see who got it.
And the winner goes to number 46, Darren! That is you, sir. That is you.
That's like
10 grand to the bait and tackle shop here.
Lieutenant won a trophy with the yellow Lexus, and Lexus won a second place for trucks with their truck, so that's awesome. There she is, second place for trucks at the show today. Yeah. Now let's go watch some cars leave here. The Cyclone's a V6 all-wheel drive turbo car. Woo! right, guys, so people are slowly starting to pull out of the show. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you want to see some more content in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe.